Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I'm going to be unboxing a couple of finds from Amazon. So obviously you can see that these are Valentine's canvases. I am currently in the middle of running my very first event. It's running through the whole month of February and we have got some wonderful sponsors for the event, including some of the larger diamond painting companies. We've got Prism, we've got Spell Queen, we've got Diamond Art Club, all coming in to sponsor, as well as some really lovely smaller businesses. We have had Dainty Diamond Art, we have had Pencil Surprises, who whilst not a business is a crafter who was kind enough to donate some products, and we have got the wonderful Crafty Makes, who is fast becoming my very favourite pen supplier and maker. I'm just going to show off my own Crafty Makes pen here. So Steve at Crafty Makes is custom making a pen for our winner. So that event is ongoing. If you want to come in, there is still time. It does need to be a fresh start, and I do need to see progress if you want to win the grand prize. I will link up in the eye to the event info video so you can go check that out. However, there is every chance that there will be more Valentine's February love themed events in the future, and so I am not at all mad that I am only picking up these canvases now, because they are little bargains. So let's have a look at this one first, just because it's easier to see what it is. This seems to be a much more common way that certainly the sort of budget Amazon canvases are being packaged. It's not, it is folded, but it's not a harsh fold. As you can see, it's, you know, it's not going to be creased at all. And actually, I feel like this maybe does less damage to the canvas than rolling it. So I would be interested. Let me know down in the comments if you have any thoughts about this. So this is described as, oh, can I get into this? Where's the opening? There it is. So this is from Ved, who, again, they're one of my very favourite budget companies at the moment. They sell a lot through Amazon, and they are certainly, you know, as good a quality as you get anywhere else, and you get the benefit of Amazon shipping. So this is the Ved Dog Diamond Painting Kit. 5D Love Dog Diamond Painting Kit for Adult, Full Drill Diamond Painting Kit, Valentine's Love Diamond Crystal Art Kit for Home Decor 30x40. It's the usual thing where they put all the keywords into the title, but that's fine. Now, if you're a fan of colour blocking, this is going to tick those boxes, because there is a lot of colour blocking in that heart and a lot of colour blocking in the white parts of the face of our little Doge, but the background is actually more colours than you'd think. There's a little bit of literal confetti, not diamond painting confetti, in the background, as well as, like you can see here, there's a red heart within this background that maybe doesn't show up so much now, but I'm hoping that once the drills are placed it will show up really nicely. So we've got 20 colours. It is a round. We get our, ooh, slightly more than a standard kit. We've got boat, a large plate of wax, we've got 2 pens, so 2 single placers, plus that's probably a 7 maybe, and a nice long straightener you can see in there. We've got in there as well as a squishy, and a handful of baggies as well. So really nice, everything that you'd need and a little bit more. This is a poured glue canvas. What is that? It has got a little bit of fluff stuck to it, but perfectly good stick. Yeah, very nice, no complaints there. There are no guide circles, so if that's something that's important to you, it's worth remembering. Our legend on the side here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, A, C, D, E, F, G, H, J, K, L, N, R. So really lovely, straightforward, nothing complicated. And then we've got our drills. Excuse the crinkling for a sec. They come in 2 strips. We've got, so this strip with the silver detailing. Historically, I've not had any issues with diamonds that come in this sort of packaging. So I'm not going to do colours, although we do have DMC on the canvas, not on the packaging. Obviously, we're going to get a lot of red. We're not getting any special drills, obviously, but then I don't think you need it necessarily for something like this. Quite a big bag of white there as well. Yeah, more red. Is that all? Yes, it's 4 bags of 321 red. What we're not getting, yeah, so that is all the 310. So not going to be a ton of 310 in there. So they all look really lovely. No issues at all with that. And this canvas could be yours right now. Just so currently on Amazon, this is $5.99, which would of course give you let's have a look. That would give you free delivery. And at the moment, there is also a 6% off voucher listed on Amazon for this canvas. So you would be saving a little bit extra on top of that. So really, really nice. I'm definitely going to be popping that one in my stash for the future. So let's have a look at this one. So this again is from Amazon. And it is another Ricuved one. As you can see, obviously, because it's this, yeah, you can see how differently this canvas sits straight out the packet compared to this one. This, in my opinion, is a much nicer way of packaging them. However, this is poured glue and therefore can be rolled back on itself a little bit. Which will help it to calm down. There we go. The other option, of course, as always, is you can pull back this cover sheet and then straighten it back down, and that releases any extra tension that might be in that canvas from where it's been rolled in the packaging. There, and already we can see it's sitting very flat, so maybe I'm being overly dramatic. Right, so this has less colours, bizarrely. This has 18 colours. We've got Happy Valentine's Day, we've got the sort of big bread truck, we've got sort of a tartan at top and bottom, and some tartan in the hearts, or gingham tartan, I'm not sure. So this is full drill, round, again 30 by 40. I will measure actually just to see, is it true 30 by 40? I doubt it. No, it is a 25 by 35, and the same for the first one. So you do lose a little from the sides, but as with all budget paintings, anyone that's done a budget painting before, we've come to expect that. I don't mind it so much. So, as I say, yes, this is 18 colours. We have got, again, just the alphanumeric legend. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, A, C, D, E, F, G, H, J, K, L. And again, no guide circles, particularly. No, but the canvas is incredibly clear. I really like this one. It's very nice. The toolkit is I was going to say it's the same as the other one, but we don't have the straightener. So we do get the 2 pens, some baggies, double plate of wax, squishy, boat, large placer, but no straightener in this one. So whether that was just an omission or whether you don't get it with this one, I don't know. It's fine, I don't mind. Let's look at our drills. Again, we've got DMC on the canvas, but not on the packets. Looks to be the same drill manufacturer. I would say obviously these are both Ricky Red canvases, so I would expect the quality to be the same. Sorry, that crinkling was really loud. Okay. So, blacks, greys, reds. We've got a few more browns here. It's a bit more of a sort of neutrally toned in the background of this one. That's going to be all of our background colour. A smidgen of white. And that is it. That is it. So, stop rattling, Ari. Okay. So what's this canvas going to set you back? This will be the amazing price of just £3.99. And looking on Amazon now, this also has Prime 1-day delivery, so you could pay your £3.99 today and it will be with you tomorrow. So yeah, really good. I am looking forward to working on these. I do not think that I will get around to them this Valentine's season. I am still working on my Jasmine Beckett Griffiths canvas, and that is taking a little longer than I had thought. But as I say, there will be other Valentine's events. Comes every year, so there's always going to be an opportunity. And I mean, this little dog doesn't actually say Valentine's on it, so you could do this at any time of the year. You know, you could do it for a Mother's Day, for a birthday, for a friend, just to tell someone that you love them. You do not need to wait till Valentine's Day to express your love. So anyway, this is all from me for today. I just wanted to show off these beauties to you. I will pop links to those Amazon canvases down in the description so that you can go grab them should you wish. And obviously all of the details for my event will also be there as well. I hope that you've enjoyed seeing these little bargain bonus canvases being unboxed, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So until then, please do consider to like, share, subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next one. Stay crafty!
Just before we go, I want to take a few moments here to say a huge thanks to my generous patrons. In the Crafty Coven outer circle, we now have John Chidlow and Dylan Falconer, and in the inner circle, the wonderful Katerina Seplova.